Uwian na kami. Mga ilaw-ilaw na. Yan. Kanina wala pa yung ilaw. Ngayon maganda siya, di ba? Yun, hawak kamay pa rin sila, oh. Sana all. Sana all. Hawak kamay. Sana all. Ayan, mga ilaw na. Ayan, mag-start na mag-ilaw mga building. Ilaw na rin yung frame natin. Ilaw na rin yung frame natin, guys. Ilaw na rin yung frame natin. Oh. Oh, tas hawak kamay pa rin sila. Oh. Sana all. Oh, Adru, walk properly. Adru, not there.
Can Adru come to swimming to my house?
Okay, let's go and ask now.
But I'm going to swim.
See? Adru, careful. Hawak kamay pa rin sila.
नहीं क्या लेना है क्या लेना है क्या है क्या बोलो क्या है चिपन
Lights, all the lights now. Lights na, guys. Yan. Medyo pumuputi na yung mukha ko. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, Didi Indo will check baby very hot or not. Then, if not very hot, we'll go. Okay?
It's not hot.
No, the water is very hot. When you go like lava. Then you will sing a song. The floor is lava. Wa wa wa.
I cannot. The floor is lava.
Only madam. Two madam. Swimming. We are swimming very hot.
स्विमिंग इलागोते मो मैडम जी मेरा अनिता को भी बोलो ना
No good. Promise. No good. Yesterday promise. You go swimming. You promise baby no good. You swimming? No. Madam, today morning. Madam. Come, Adro will go swimming. Pawis. Ayan. Ayan o mga. Ayan mga ilaw. Lights. All the lights. Lights. Oh, nag-lights na, guys. Nag-lights na rin yung ating mga up. Up. Adro, walk properly, no falling down.
Did you got her glasses?
Yeah. Oh no, she did not bring. Tomorrow night we will buy that.
She can just use mine.
What you will use then? Google. Swimming Google.
Yeah, she can use mine.
Okay.
I will use boy costume, not boy costume.
Sana all. Hawak kamay.
बड़ा
the car, maybe it's coming. From inside, from here. From here. Oh, not here. Go another. Go more. Meow meow. Oh, the meow meow is pregnant. Ang bilis no? Finish. Ilang buwan lang, oh. Dati nasa baba ka. Ilang buwan lang, ang bilis mayari. We're eating everything nice.
Did she go to hotel?
Yeah.
Then what should I? What are we eating?
She eating from the hotel too much nice food. Ito gaga.
नहीं कौन उतर कौन कौन जब एक्चुअली इन लोग पिंक कलर हम भाई उतर के
Oh my god, it's cold. Oh. Wait. Oh, it's hot and then cold. Chalo. Adro, let me check your back, baby.
Yeah, four.
We're going up also. Oh, yeah.
Four guard.
Ang dilim. Where's Adro? Adro, where is Adro? Where is Bear? Where's Honisha?
Bye Guru,
Bye. Bear, you come Friday, we meet you, okay? Bye. Bye.
Going to play.
No, finish. Yeah, hot.
Oh, here's the last part. No, 14, 16. This is the last part. Yeah. You know, I have got toys, so I can play with. So I never get bored. What is this floor? 14.
Adro, we will go home?
14. No, I don't want to go home.
No problem, full. You no need cook.
17,
All full. Adro, you full na, baby, na? Yeah?
No, I just want to eat, but I'm full.
What is that, pagel? When you go home, we will go to Lulu. Let's buy for swimming. Friday go swimming. Adro, we go swimming. We need to buy a hat. You, madam. Ito na tayo, guys. Oh, nobody. Oh, nobody here. Yay. We will dance. La 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 la. La 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 la. Anybody home? Somebody home. Lock the door, Indu.
Shoes.
Adro shoes. Adro shoes.
Shoes.
Okay. Good girl. Good girl.
Anisha.
Somebody here. Wow. No one is here.
I have a lot of clothes. No, this is my boy.
Yan. May dala-dala pa kaming swimsuit. Pinangakuan nila kasi mag-swimming daw.
This is the boy? Yeah, this is the boy. I'm using the girl. This is the girl.
Pinangakuan mag-swimming na hindi man pwede mag-swimming. Sobrang init kaya dito, guys. Also, Adro, let me check your back, baby. Let me check your back first. Ano muna tayo dito? Ang sarap ba? Ang sarap mag-relax dito, guys. No. Yan. Kailan kaya ako Ito na naman ako. Kailan kaya ako makakabayad sa lahat ng utang ko at ma-full paid ko na talaga lahat at full paid ko na talaga lahat ang bahay ko para uuwi na ako tapos makabili man lang ako nito. Tapos makaupo man lang ako. Grabe, Lord. From 2009 pa ako nag-abroad nang dahil sa ako'y tanga. Ayun, na 1 to 3. Ilang beses akong, kung tawagin nung araw is 1 to 3. Na 1 to 3. Ayun, ilang beses akong na 1 to 3. Grabe. So, kaya yung mga pinaghirapan ko, guys, walang napunta. Walang nangyayari. So, alam yun. Ha?
Tomorrow swimming.
Okay.
Mommy, tomorrow can I come again?
Yeah. No, we'll check tomorrow. Tomorrow also, you cannot come without first. Into Didi will check the weather.
Tomorrow I'm going to Sri Lanka. I'm going to Sri Lanka.
You're going to Sri Lanka? Show me.
This is my mom. This is my mom. Bias. And this is me. See? funny.
So funny, cute honey show. Oh.
I don't see my picture.
I don't want to eat biscuits, okay.
Me?
Okay, guys. So,
Yeah.
tapos na yung ating paglakot. Salamat sa mga nandyan. Salamat po sa mga support. Namumula. Pakiramdam ko yung mata ko may sore eyes. Sabi nila mapula daw yung mata ko. Oh my God. Huwag naman ako bigyan ng... So guys, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Love you all. Ingat po tayong lahat.
Wait, do you all